My name is Tommy Mai. I'm the manufacturing engineer at Gold Eagle. I'm a recent college grad from Illinois Institute of Technology. Got a degree in chemical engineering. I had a lot of opportunities to apply to different places, but Gold Eagle really stood out to me the most, only because there was a lot of opportunity to grow and to learn from all the operators that's been here for more than 20 years. So they strive for continuous improvement. I myself have grown a lot. So Red Zone's a really good data collection, and it helps us keep track of how many counts and cases we're making a day, because we want to give our customers the best product that we can give them. And especially with Red Zone, since we're able to use data collections, the operators are actually able to give them their voice of how they work. We're able to collect all that data and use it for continuous improvement. All the people here, they've worked more than 20 years. They strive to do their best at their job, because they spend more than 30% of their time every week to come here, to do their best, to do everything that we can do to be better. I am proud to be in this family-owned company with products made in America.